Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to access support throughout the platform. In HQR, there are 3 ways to find help and support. First is the main support page. You can access the HQR platform support page from the question mark icon in the upper right of any page. Here you can find articles on any category on the menu, or find resources for program support. Now let's go look at our Instant Help option. We call these tooltips. Tooltips are identified by dotted lines or the information icon. Tooltips contain information to help you complete a task or a definition of a term. The tooltips activate when you hover over them. This brings up a window. If you click, you lock the window in place until you click again. Lastly, we have the New Feature Tour. Look for the New Feature Tour soon on top pages. The New Feature Tour walks you through the top new features of the page. You can click through, check out the feature, go back, and stop at any time. When it's finished, click Done to close the window. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.